Hello students, welcome to the effective learning session of Raval Convent School. Today for class 8 we are here with another amazing topic, that is understanding laws. Let's begin. Law is a social science and grows and develops with the growth and development of society. New development in society creates new problems and law is required to deal with those problems. In order to keep pace with society, the definition and scope of law must continue to change. The result is that a definition of law given at a particular time. Law is a principle and regulation established in a community by some authority and applicable to its people, whether in the form of legislation or of customs and policy recognized and enforced by state authority. Laws in ancient India. In ancient India, there were innumerable. Innumerable means countless and often overlapping local laws. Different communities enjoyed different degree of autonomy. Autonomy means you can say the right or condition of self-government in administrating these laws among their own. The punishment that two persons receive for the same crime varied depending on their caste backgrounds, with lower castes being more harshly penalized. Laws in colonial period. The system of law began to further evolve during colonial period. It was a British colonialist who introduced the rule of law in India. Now, do laws apply to all? Yes, all are equal before laws. The law cannot discriminate anyone on basis of religion, caste and gender. If she is rich, poor, minister, president is equal before law. Reasons for including law of equality. Because of Sedition Act of 1870, Indian nationalists forced Britishers to include equality and ideas of justice into set of rules. Like this today, also every year new laws are passed, like domestic violence. Domestic violence refer to the injury or harm or threat of injury or harm caused by an adult male, usually the husband, against wife. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 is very significant step because it recognizes the right of women to live in a shared household. Women can get a protection order against any further violence. Women can get monetary relief to meet their expenses including medical cost. How do new laws come about? When problems are faced by people, they raise the need for a particular law through media like TV channels, newspapers. The citizen play a crucial role in coming of a new law. What is the procedure of coming of a new law? When people feel there is a need of law, they go to an organization. Then several organizations discuss on the complaint and then prepare a draft of laws. The draft is then sent to minister. He introduced the law. Then voting of several ministers of Lok Sabha take place. If it is approved by Lok Sabha, it is sent to Committee 1 for further procedures. Also, if it is getting approved by Committee 1, then it is sent to Rajya Sabha. Here ministers vote again. Approved bill is sent to Committee 2. After approval, it goes to President, and if President approved it, then the new law is introduced in society. Unpopular and controversial laws. Parliament passes new laws every year that may be unpopular. Controversial laws. Some of this law may be unacceptable to people because they could feel law as unfair and harmful. So they might criticize this law, and when large number of people criticize a law, it changes. If any law is not in favor of any group and ignores the other, it is controversial law. As citizens plays crucial role in electing their representatives, they also play a crucial role in helping Parliament perform its representative functioning properly. So citizens of a democratic country like India must be aware of their rights. In conclusion, it is the extent, involvement and passion of the people that help Parliament perform its representative functions properly. In the end, I would like to say that law is order and good law is good order. Thank you.